Hello everyone. How to remove or recover the 500 gigabyte Skybox HDD. So first, you remove the side. There's a two screw here, and then this one. So you use this the screwdriver to remove it, and then on the side, so you will pull it like that. And then the same process in other side, and then there's a two screw here, the plastic, and then the other side. So just break it like this, okay? Of a big screwdriver. Then on the side also, so just only break it, the lock. And then you remove the plastic panel. And then there's three screw here connected to the hard drive, so just break it again. The PCB board. Remove the three screw. 1, 2, 3. Done. And then remove the wire here. And then take the cover, the plate. That's it. And then I will recover also the wires. That's sata wire for the HDD. And then that's it. And then remove the wire here. And then there's a wire on the fan, remove it. There's a one screw on the panel board connected. Just pull up this. And then there's another screw here inside. Just take it, the other one. And then after that, use to remove the HDD using the screwdriver, because this is okay. So I already removed the hard drive. That's the panel. Chuck it away, scrap. And then there's a two screw also on the holder plate. Remove it. Remove the wire. It's 50p. 50p for the sata power supply. And then this one for the sata input output Uju. Yeah. And then this the hard drive that I recovered, 500 gigabytes. So I can sell the 6 quid. So this is the Skybox that I told you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.